Palestinian!
Huh?
You need to calm down and step back.
You have a problem?
Huh?
You have a problem? You have a don't you touch me?
Doing that?
Don't you
Shot
touch
that
me?
at me! And you shot it at another guy!
You piece of
Hey, where do I park for this?
I don't care. Don't care. This is private property.
I registered. Where do I park?
This is all private property.
Yo, I registered for the event. Where do I park?
You can park up on.
Why? Where? Why? I registered for the prop.
That's your problem. Go park there. Go walk in the promenade.
No,
Go around the promenade.
So who can park here only? Jews only? What is
So
it?
this is a private cinema.
No, but I registered.
I don't care what you
Who
do.
are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from here.
Which property are you from?
I'm from here.
So I don't get it. Where do I park if I register?
You can park in hell
Why should I park in hell?
because you wear in your head.
What is on my head? You're representing a synagogue. You're calling this
Of course it is.
from a synagogue?
Think for yourself, sir.
Where do I register for them? Where do I park?
Sir, are you Jewish?
I'm not Jewish, no.
Why are you here?
Because I registered for a event.
Why did you register here?
Because they're selling land. I'm interested in purchasing land.
Not for you.
Yeah.
Psycho piece of